Ohayou gozaimasu. That's where I came down from the other day, and this is the bus stop I left from. So we're back on the Hodo, baby, for day 82, and heading over 3 little mountains today to get to the base of Mount Tokai for the final push tomorrow. Sun's out, it's looking beautiful. Let's go get it. Yake-yama. Oh, we've entered the woods. 2 k's to the top of Ishizade, and on the second last day of the Tokai Shizen Hodo, the squirrels have entered the critter count. So there's one back there, ran across my path. Didn't catch it, but on camera, but they're in. There's the top. And that, my friends, is Yake-yama. Got him. Not that we're peak bagging. Alright, time for a little sit down before we go and bag the next one. Not that we're peak bagging. Okay, to the next one, Mount Sekido, with a nice drop in between. Nice drop into a nice forest. Alright, just walking out of a little village and heading uphill again. Sekido-san, Mount Sekido. Is in our sights. Geez, I don't mind if squirrels enter the old critter count, but those fellas I could very well do without. Alright, that was the top of Sekido-san. Another one in the bag, not with a peak bagging. Okay, off we go. Let's go get the little baby of the day, Arashiyama. Now, most of our hard work is done. I'm not sure if that's my mountain. That must be Sekido. Come down there, into this little town. go up this way. We are heading for that amusement park. It'll be quite amusing. We're getting closer. Although the fence might keep us out. Tokai Nature Trail, built for short people. I look like some kind of bloke trying to sneak into the amusement park, I think. God knows what the people in the car park just below me think. Another gaijin in Japan causing trouble. Jeez. Down in the jungle below that amusement park, skirting around its base. I was half hoping we'd go into it and I'd get a soft cream. Oh, this is a pleasant bamboo walk in Yake-yama. Yeah, because it's not the Kyoto one. Look at this. Beautiful. And not a rental kimono in sight. Oh, tell you what, this last one's a little bugger. That's the wildest one of the lot as well. Bugger, 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 bugger. And a bugger. She ain't giving up without a fight, this old Hodo. I'll tell you that. Anyway, that's how it should be, right? That's how it should be. Oh, Yake-yama, got him. Woohoo! Not that we're peak bagging. I don't think that siren's for me. Oh. Lake Sagami out there. Beautiful. About a K&a-half to go. Straight off this mountain down to the station. So it's going to be a knee knocker, so I might just put the camera away and belt it out, and we'll catch you tomorrow for the last day on the Tokai Shizen Hodo.